Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve charging issues with Black Shark Pad 7 tablet. First of all, check your USB-C port on the left edge of the tablet. Make sure that there is no debris or any cloggage stuck inside of it. If you can see that it's clogged up with some dust or something else, you can clear it using a soft brush. Do not ever use any metallic tools. Do not insert them in here. At most you can use a wooden toothpick, wooden or plastic one. Just make sure to not break it inside and to not cause any more damage to your USB-C port. And then as a functionality of the charger, you should look for the 67 watt charging brick. This one I have right here is not an original, but we can check the specifications usually at the back side of the charger, and as you can see, it provides our device with 20 watts at max, which is much lower than required for a fast charge. Also make sure to get yourself a cable that supports power delivery, and having 20 watts charger, we can still charge our device, except for, of course, it will take you much more time to charge your device using a weaker charging brick. Therefore, if you want to charge your device faster, make sure to get yourself a proper charger, and even better if you manage to find some original one. I just found some on Amazon. It's the 67 watt charger for XIAOMI Black Shark Pad 7. It's an original one. Unfortunately, I cannot see the price tag in here, but at least we know that it exists. And you may even have gotten it with the tablet itself in your box. And to make sure that your device is charging properly, just look at your battery icon. It should have this small lightning in the middle when your device is charging. Besides, also make sure to keep your device up to date. Open settings, swipe down to system, in system find system updates, check for update, and if you have one, install it on your tablet. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.